Alrighty guys, so this is the pre-paint reveal of Robocop. So today I put many of hours in to finish this thing. And when I say finish, I mean it is wearable now. It is all put together. It is cleaned up for the most part. There's still going to be some minor sanding before I paint. But I just thought I'd give you guys a brief tour and walk around of the Robocop suit. Now I still need to add some padding in, and I still need to get everything centered. This was just real roughly and quickly thrown on this little PVC mannequin that I made. We're still going to be doing some videos on painting. I still need to cast the midsection in rubber. That's the hard mix section. That's actually the master midsection. That's my dog Gideon. He's just being nosy and wants to see everything. And I also still want to do the video on the straps that I did for the midsection. I'm sorry, not the midsection, the straps that I did for the legs to hold all the legs up.